tunay na kwento ng veteranang abogada na si Attorney Lorna Capuna ng ating aalamin sa Real Talk.
Ako si Attorney Lorna Patao Capuna. I was born to a family of lawyers. My father was former Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Lino M. Patao. I also married, although I widowed in 2001, to Judge Eduardo Roden Capunan of the Regional Trial Court of Manila. And I have 5 sons. 3 of them are lawyers or soon-to-be lawyers. And my apo also is studying law. So we are a family of lawyers. Dapat matakot sila sa amin kasi puro kami abogado. My mother was a professional. She was head of the Professional Regulations Board for nursing. And in fact was very instrumental for the drafting of the nursing law. And then I entered the University of the Philippines during the martial law days. Also got College of Law sa University of the Philippines, which is the best law school in Diliman. Ever since I was small, hindi ba nung bata tayo, yung mga lola natin sinasabi yan, may mga conventional wisdom. Pag mabait ka, pari ka daw o madre. Pero pag madaldal ka, abogado ka daw. So since I was small, I grew up with a sense of, siguro nga dapat mag-lawyer ako kasi lahat nagdadaldal ako, lahat ng at nananalo naman ako sa mga pagdadaldal ko na yan. This is my law firm. We're located right across St. Luke's, Global City. This is what I do every day. I think one of the highlights that I remember, I started with handling a case na-rape itong mag-sweetheart sila, nasa cultural center sila at syempre nagkikising-kising. Nakita ng police, Pasay Police. I was very young then, Pasay Police, and trineten yung guy, and this girlfriend who became a client of mine because of the law office was raped, was multiple rape by Pasay policemen, mga kilabot ng Pasay. So I was assigned the case, and every time pupunta ako sa kaso ko na to, ang bayad ko po kasi ang parents ng babae cigarette vendor. So ang bayad ko lang kaha ng isang pakete ng sigarilyo. And every time I would go to court to defend this rape case, tinatakot ako ng Pasay Police. Ang sabi nila is miskin na ma-convict daw sila kasi may death penalty pa noon miskin ma-convict man sila marami daw silang kilala sa labas na mag-ingat daw ako.
Natakot po kayo?
Ay hindi. And that's why since then I felt na and I was a very young lawyer at 1979. I was a very young lawyer. Ang feeling ko is, hindi ka pala pwedeng matakot. Hindi ka matatakot kung alam mo yung pinagtatanggol mo ay tama. This is a picture of my family and the people that I met. Nandyan yung mga kliyente ko, si James, si Dr. Ko. Ito naman yung aking TV appearance. Nakita ko si Robin. And then I guested in a photo shoot with Piolo and this guy. You know, there are no celebrity lawyers, no. It's just that I represent celebrity clients. But ang nakikita kasi sa media, yung mga kliyente ko na that's entertainment. Hindi nila nakikita yung mga kaso ng law na yung personal cases ko tungkol sa treatment of animals. But for every client, there is no small case. There is no big case or small case. Whether it's a small case, you treat it with the same passion, the same competence, the same preparation as you would a simple case. So, when you come to me, you're not a client, you're my responsibility. Kanya yung mga celebrity clients ko, yung mga maggagwapo na yan, ang tawag sa akin, Mami Lorna. So even beyond winning their cases, I give them advice on how to be nice to their partners, how to be nice in their careers, how to be nice. So, and that is, I think, the strength. My strength, because I go beyond my cases. Apart from winning them, the cases, I also win their hearts. I think my best achievement, I think, is a law firm that has a concept of right and wrong. A family that grew up with the right values. I have children who have a very strong sense of right and wrong, which I inherited also from my parents. It is that strong sense of right and wrong. Ano ba yung tama para sa mamamayan natin? No? Even in the public level, it's as simple as wag kang magtapon ng basura sa kalye. No? It's as simple as that, because mali eh. I'm already 60, senior citizen na tayo. 62 or 63 years old na tayo. No? At 63 years old, siguro panahon na pag-isipan na natin ang public service. Pag-isipan na natin ang i-extend. Parang gawin na natin malaking law office itong bayan natin and continue the service in the public arena. Sabi nila, in the practice of law, you should do twice what men do, equal to them. And that's what I thought growing up and in my career as law, no, na dapat matapang ka sa korte, only to find out na talaga naman mas magaling ang mga babae kasi sa mga lalaki, no, na yung myth na we have to struggle double time to be equal to men, I think is a myth that is being perpetrated by men. Maybe I should end up with the words of Pope Francis when he came to the Philippines. Marami siyang sinabi. Sabi niya, we must see the Church of the Poor. Kasi si Pope Francis was a Marxist, no? Nakita niya yung evils of capitalism, nakita niya yung evils of colonialism, nakita niya yung evils of corruption, of very few people controlling the great number of wealth. He saw our street children. He saw the hungry here. He saw the devastation here. At ang sabi ni Pope Francis is, we must not forget that the center of the is the poor. Whether it is the words of the Pope talking about the poor, or whether it is me talking as a lawyer in a fight for justice, we must always remember that the law is not for the rich. The law is for the underprivileged. Ako po si Attorney Lorna Pataho Kapunan, isang abogado. Para sa lahat, tunay na tao, at yan ang aking tunay na kwento.